Shalom. Today's Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024. I am Jason Shapiro with Crowded Market Report. Lots of volatility and excitement in the markets today, on the back of, the Middle East situation with Iran, sending some ballistic missiles into Israel. And I think that from what I can read today, people want to fade the move, because that has what was worked before. Okay. So traditionally, something like this happens, you get things that are safety trades like the dollar, the yen, bonds go up, and risk trades and of course you have oil and energy go up. And you have, risk trades like the stock market go down. And that's what happened today. But it feels to me like most people want to fade those moves now. And because, look, the last time in April when this happened, it turned out to be a great time, to do the opposite of all those trades. And so people want to do that this time. I think the issue could be that they didn't do it last time, which is partially why it worked. And they will do it this time, which reduces the odds of it working. It's just kind of how the discounting mechanism of the market works, right? So having said all that, and they tried to fade it today. You saw in particular, like in the Dow, by once the bomb sort of stopped going off, which was here, the Dow rallied and was actually up on the day. So people were trying to fade the move again. And that kind of has failed into the close here, right? What I thought was interesting was things like energy. You look at crude. Now, the news came out here that the U.S. was aware that, Iran was going to bomb. Okay, fine. And then, kind of sold off here. And then when the bombs actually hit was here. To wait on this on an intraday level, I'm saying, and buy this thing after the bombs hit, after it was already announced, it just doesn't seem like a very good trade. And the people that this was heating on, the people that tried to do that, really got sort of smoked. It says nothing about tomorrow and follow through and all that. But again, I also think that then this part was okay, let's fade this crowd because we should have faded it last time. And that's kind of what we saw throughout the day, right? Bonds too, right? Bonds were up and then they sold off once the bombs hit, right? Now, if I were looking to fade this move, I would do it as usual. I'm looking for two things: where positioning is in my favor and where the market sort of confirmation is in my favor. Now, we didn't get that in stocks because stocks closed down, right? Had stocks closed up today, you can make a different argument, although the positioning is not really that great there. But the difference here in particular in energy, by the way, is we see this is the most bearish people have been in energy in a very long time, right? So trying to put that trade on, it makes it different than last time, right? Last time they were bullish energy, this time they're bearish energy. I think it makes for a different trade personally, because I believe so much in the positioning aspect of things. It's a discounting mechanism. But where it could be interesting is the yen, because the yen has traditionally been one of these flight to quality trades that happen in times like this. And we saw it here. This is when the announcement came and the yen did in fact go up. But you know what? It couldn't hold, right? And if you are looking to fade this thing again, you want to go short oil or you want to go long stocks or short bonds or whatever it is, to me, based on the positioning A and the action B, I would be looking at yen, right? There's the least short yen that people have been in quite a while, right? So I would be looking to fade it in yen. And it's good because you have a great spot here where people sort of panic bought when the news first hit, and you could stop right there. So you're only risking, a very small amount there, right? So it could offer a great risk reward trade. So again, you're looking to fade this move today, based on the fact that this is just what happens in the Middle East and it's all hype and it's all going to turn around and all that. I think the yen is the place to be. Okay. Just my thought. All right. So those are my thoughts for today. I hope it helps. Please like the video if in fact you liked it, check us out, crowdedmarketreport.com. Check us out on Twitter. Check us out on Substack, etc., etc. I hope everyone had a good day and has a continual good week. Does that make sense? All right. Thank you.